All right, so yes, I'm not trying to brag or anything, but I found two PS4s. It was a house nearby. They looked like it was an apartment. They were no longer renting. There was a big pile of just junk, and these PS4s were sitting there. I wish I had a before picture just to show you how dirty these things were. And trigger warning here: this is filthy. Turn off your screen now if you're gonna get grossed out. But this person, one of the PS4s, was just full of dust, just caked on there, and you're gonna see it now. And they also smoked, so not you could smell the smoke, and you can see that all the dust has turned brown from the smoke, just kind of latching itself on. Probably dead skin cells, all sorts of fun stuff like that. Don't worry, I washed my hands after performing this operation. So in this video, we're gonna go ahead and clean this thing up and see if we can bring it back to life again. It actually did turn on. Surprisingly enough, in its current state. The other PS4 did not turn on. I was unable to get a video signal out of it. So you can see here, I've already started taking out some of the screws. There are security screws on the PS4, some that are covered up by stickers. So you got to take off the stickers and then take off the security screws. And I'm using a compressor here just to get out all these big chunks of dust. And you'll see as we get in here, it's pretty gnarly. I've seen these videos before where people will take apart old systems and restore them, and I think mine here has a potential to be #1 as far as the dirtiest. Although I've seen people on TikTok and stuff where it seems like they threw it in mud on purpose. But I just took off the power supply there. And underneath the power supply, through the heat sinks, all that area was just filthy. The brown dust was everywhere. It was caked onto the fan blades there. It was disgusting, like beyond wild. And so doing some more dusting here, I got both sides of the case off using the, taking off all the security screws. A little time lapse of just a small part. Took me like a significant hour, I would say, to spray and then to wipe everything down with alcohol. And if you see the rag later, the rag went from white to brown. The whole rag was brown by the end of this. And so the dirtiest pieces obviously were the front plates, things like that, things that were on the exterior, as that's what's going to suck in the dust, but also the fan, right? The fan sucks all that dust in. So super easy to clean this stuff if you or just take care of your stuff in the first place. Rubbing down the plastics now. Again, I'm just using alcohol and a cloth. I'm sure a toothbrush would have been good if I really wanted to deep clean it even more, but really I just wanted to get the majority of the brown off. You can absolutely use a toothbrush as well, especially if there's no electronic parts. You can also use other solvents as well if it's not coming off. So this is great. You can see the even has like a cigarette burn mark here at the top of the console as well. It has like some acid or something that ate away at the plastic there. But I'm just going to continue cleaning this up, getting the last little bits, and then we'll see if we can turn it on and see what we got by the end of it. Oh, and don't worry, I burned my house down after I made this video. No, I'm just kidding. It was... I cleaned it all up at the end. I cleaned it all up. All right, and then the finished product. It does have like a little cigarette burn mark on there. I don't know if you all saw that, but it still has a big cigarette burn mark right on the top. A little battle scar, if you will. And it's looking pretty good. I could clean it even more, shine it up, but it's 20 times better than it was prior to the start of all this. And then if those of you are wondering what exactly I found in there, that's part of it. A lot of it actually flew away with the wind here, so pretty nasty. But that's what years of gaming and smoking and dust and dead skin cells will do to you. All right, we got it on, blue light on, and there we go. It's running. So this is the Q-tip after I just cleaned off this little felt strip that's on the Blu-ray player. I also went in there, tried to clean the eye a little bit as well, and let's go ahead and see if the Blu-ray work now. Can we use it as a Blu-ray player now that we cleaned out the CD-ROM? Loading. Moment of truth. Boom. Yes. Second PlayStation, there's a different one. Not as much smoke in this one. Just cleaned it out. We got Modern Warfare on there working. Everything looks good. Boom. Campaign. We can go back to Sony. And here we are. Killing Floor 2 disc works. God of War's on here. Well, you need the disc. Far Cry. So there you have it. Dr. Drew got 2 PS4s working like new. As far as what I'll do with them, I don't know. Maybe I'll sell them. Maybe I'll keep one. But pretty cool. They work for Blu-ray players as well, so that's always nice. And look at that. I mean, just first take care of your stuff, everybody. But also, there's so much stuff that we could just clean up and get it working again, and it's amazing. So this is a little different video than I normally post. Let me know what you thought, any questions, and I'll be back with some more. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.